episode of Pyathlon. In today's episode, we'll be talking about dictionaries. Dictionaries are the final data structure where you can store multiple values that we'll cover in this series. Dictionaries are different from the other data structures we've talked about because they store data in what's called a key-value pair. And what that means is each element in the dictionary actually has two pieces of information, a key and a value. Each key in your dictionary must be unique, but the values don't necessarily need to be unique. So let's look at this in practice. So dictionaries use curly brackets to create them. So we'll create dictionary 1, and so you have to use curly brackets, and we'll get our key, we'll call this key underscore 1, and you use the colon to associate a key with a value. So we'll call this value underscore 1. And then, so this is one key value pair. To add another pair, you separate them with a comma. So you can do key 2, colon, and value 2. Now let's print our dictionary and see what it shows us. And you can see it's key 1, colon, value 1, comma, key 2, colon, value 2. So if you want to access a value, you can just type the name of your dictionary and then pass in the key name. So you pass in the key name between between straight brackets, and that gives you the value associated with that key. If you want to access all of the keys within a dictionary, then there's a function that can do that for you. So we'll print dictionary 1 and call it the keys function. And we also, let's look at the type of dictionary 1.keys. So you can see the keys are key 1 and key 2. And the class type for that, the type is dictionary keys, which makes sense. It doesn't return a list or anything, it returns a special type of object called a dictionary key. And you can do something very similar with the values. So let's print using the values function, which gives you the values. And then we'll also print the type of the values function. And this is a very similar story. It returns a dictionary values object that contains value 1 and value 2, which are the values in this dictionary. Another way to pass in the name of a key and get its associated value, and that's using the get method. So if you pass in the name of a key, it gives you the value. So what makes this better? Let's say we want to get a key that doesn't exist, so we'll try to get key 3. This doesn't do anything, but let's say you try to get, this actually returns a none object, but let's say you try to do the same thing using the method we just discussed. This gives you an error. The benefit of the get method is it won't crash if it doesn't find the value, the key that you're looking for. In fact, if you add a comma, you can pass in what do you want it to return if your key is not found. So just say key not found, and then run that. And since it wasn't found, it returns key not found. And so this can give you more stable behavior when dealing with dictionaries because you don't have to worry about your code crashing if a value isn't found. The last thing I want to talk to you about with dictionaries is how to rewrite a key. So we have dictionary 1. Key 1 already has a value in our dictionary, and this is value 1. But if you want to rewrite that value, you just simply do dictionary key 1 equals, and we'll just say new value. And then we'll print dictionary 1, key 1, and this has a new value. So that was just a quick introduction into dictionaries in Python. As always, if you're watching this on YouTube, please comment, like, and subscribe, and visit pyathlon.com for more content. We'll be pushing out a lot more content in the coming weeks and months. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.